Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to delete Alibaba. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Alibaba or Alibaba delete account. So I'm going to teach you how to delete your Alibaba. So first thing you need to do is open up your Alibaba. Once your Alibaba is open up, click on My Alibaba. There you go. Click on My Alibaba. After clicking on your My Alibaba, you will see on the top right corner, you will see a setting icon next to scan. There you go. After that, click on delete account. There you go. Delete account. After clicking on that, you will the app will inform you about this. Once you deactivate account, your account information will no longer be accessible. Your information on Alibaba and your data on Alibaba, and number 3, you lose access to members, benefits, coupons, and etc. So there you go, and just click on delete account. After clicking on that, let's wait. And here you will now go to my privacy. Once you're here, scroll down and you will see, there you go, delete account. You can apply to delete your personal account and personal information saved on Alibaba, subject to fulfilling the relevant requirements. Then click on view. There you go. Once you're here, this request to delete your account is a final, cannot be undone. Please consider carefully, etc. Then click on delete account. After doing that, please enter delete. So we're gonna enter delete. There you go. Delete. There you go. Delete my account. So, unusual activity detected. We have temporarily locked your account to keep it secure. Please sign in to verify your account to access your account. We're gonna X that. There you go. As you can see, delete my account. The process to delete your account has started, and your account will soon no longer accessible. So there you go. Then we go back. Click on close. There you go. There you go. As you can see, my account has now been deleted. Now, if I want to, if I want my account, a quick tip for you guys: if you want your account back and you've made the mistake, you don't want to delete it anymore, just click on sign in, then log in your account again. There you go. Hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it on the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer you. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.